Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Invention tricks. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a full page navigation menu with beautiful hover effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript that you can see on my screen. So let's start. After starting this video, I'll request you to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel Invention tricks. These files are using on this project. There you can see few CSS, JS and images file. First of all, open the HTML file on this Sublime text editor. There you can see the CSS and JS file are already connected in this HTML file. Now create a header tag with class name header. Create a div with class name logo. Create a span tag with class name main nav icon, and add a image tag with nav-icon.png. Now you can see this on browser. Now copy the header class and open the CSS file. You can see few CSS file I have already written. For this one, padding top bottom 20 pixel and left right 30 pixel. Display flex, align item center. Justify content, space between, background dark red. Now copy the logo, class name and paste in this CSS file. Copy the nav icon and paste in this CSS file. For this one, font size 30 pixel, font weight 700, color white. And for this one, display block with 40 pixel cursor pointer. Now create a navigation tag with class name main nav. Under this main nav, add UL. Under this UL, add li and anchor tag, and repeat it with navigation menu name. Now copy the main nav and paste in this CSS file. For this one, background radial gradient with black red color. Position fixed, left 0, top 0 with 100%, height 100%, Z index 1000, display flex, align items center, justify content space around, text align center, transition all 0.4 second, easy out. Now you can see this, the top 0. For this one, padding 0, margin 0, list style none. For this one, display block, text decoration none, color white, font size 26 pixel, padding 20 pixel, letter spacing 3 pixel, text transform uppercase, position relative, transition all 0.3 second, easy out. Background liner gradient to right side, first color transparent, second color white, and third color transparent. Background repeat, no repeat. Background position center. Now you can see this. For this one with 100% and max with 50%. Now it is perfect. Now copy this and paste here. For this one hover, background size 100% and normal mode 0%. And color black. Now you can see the beautiful hover effect with background gradient. For this one, height 1 pixel, bottom 0, left 0, with 100%, position absolute. And background color, background liner gradient, to right side, transparent, white and transparent color. Now add a last child. For this one, display none. You can see this border. Now create a span tag with class name nav close icon and add a image tag with close icon. For this one, position absolute, right 20 pixel, top 20 pixel, width 50 pixel, and for this one, border radius 5 pixel. Cursor pointer. Now you can see the close icon. Now copy the main nav with add active class. For this one, transform scale y 0, and when add active class, then transform scale y 1. Now open JavaScript. Now create document.ready function. Now copy the nav icon and create a click event with nav icon, and copy the main nav and paste here with add class active. When click the main nav icon, then main nav add class active. Now copy the nav close icon and paste here. For this one, click the nav close icon, then main nav remove class active. Now the navigation menu is completely work with beautiful hover effect. Thanks for watching this video.